the best time to thin fruit on a fruit tree? The best time is as soon as possible. Once you see that fruit developing, that's the best time to thin fruit on the fruit tree. So what we want to do is we want to tell the fruit tree, hey, I want large, big fruit. And we do this by thinning the fruit on the tree. And it seems painful. Believe me, I'd have had several friends call me and say, do I really need to do this? And the answer is yes. You will thank me in a month or two when you're picking big, juicy, delicious peaches off your tree. So for example, we can look at this branch here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, just on, actually even more than that, maybe 16 or 17 peaches on this one little branch. And can you imagine how hard that's going to be on that branch? This isn't a very big branch, and so we don't want to overload it and break this branch. And also you can see that several of the fruit are fused together, and so those aren't going to be very good anyway. So for sure we want to take these fruit off. So it's easy to go through and you want to just kind of decide, okay, where do I want the fruit on this tree? And because it is kind of a young branch, I want this fruit to be closer to where the branch connects. So typically you want to leave about a finger width distance apart between fruit. So we've got one here that's going to be just fine for this branch. And on this branch, again, there's 3 right next to each other and 2 that are fused. So I'm going to take those 2 that are fused off and just leave 1 on this branch here. So as you go through your tree and you make those decisions about where to leave fruit based on how heavy the fruit will be on the branch, if they're fused, how far apart, think about those things. Go through and do this to your whole fruit tree as soon as you can after the blossoms fall off and the fruit develops. You will be so happy and at the end of the season to have big delicious fruit that you can taste and enjoy.